This is a sausage. This is a sausage roll. This is Kevin. This is Dale. Farmer. And Lucas. And yourself.
Becky.
Right, I'm showing you a little magic trick with this. All right, this is a sausage roll. A normal sausage roll, right? I will place this sausage roll into my hand, right? I will make it disappear and appear somewhere sexy. Keep an eye, boys. Keep an eye. Keep an eye. Keep an eye. Watch the eyes. It's going. It's in my hand now. It's going in. It's going in my fingers. Right? Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. Ha-ha! Can I ask a member of the audience to tell me to turn up their pockets? Farmer! 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 Can you empty your pockets, please? Class. I'm fighting class. Just like a what?